Hey, cozy queens! Got an old sweater that's outdated or doesn't quite spark joy anymore? Don't toss it just yet. Today, I'm showing you how to transform that sweater into a super cute and comfy skirt. Yes, you heard me right, sweater to skirt. This DIY is quick, fun, and perfect for cooler weather. Plus, you'll get major points for creativity. Let's start simple with the basic sweater skirt. Grab a sweater and cut straight across, just under the armpits. Keep the bottom half, it's already skirt-shaped. Fold over the top edge to create a waistband. Sew it down, leaving room to thread in some elastic. Slide in the elastic, sew the ends, and voila! You've got a snug and stylish skirt. So easy, right? Who needs a shopping spree when you've got scissors? Ready to flare with the ruffle hem skirt? To make this one, follow the same steps as the basic skirt, but keep the sleeves. You'll need them. Cut the sleeves open and sew them along the bottom hem of your skirt to create a cute ruffle effect. Perfect for twirling at your next cozy brunch. Don't forget to snap a pic for the gram. This one's a showstopper. Feeling fancy? Try the wrap skirt. To make this, use the body of the sweater as a wrap skirt by cutting it into one long panel. Hem the edges and add buttons or ties to secure it. This look is chic, comfy, and screams effortlessly cool. Bonus, it pairs so well with boots. And there you have it, 3 fun ways to turn an old sweater into a stylish skirt. That's cozy, chic, and perfect for cooler days. Pair it with boots for a casual vibe, or heels to take it up a notch. Who knew old sweaters could look this fabulous? Don't forget to share your creations and tag me so I can hype you up. Until next time, stay cozy and stay creative. Bye, lovelies.